Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Facebook notification setting, and today video title is guys how to turn off comment notification on Facebook. Friends, you don't want to use comment notification on Facebook, you want to turn off comment notification on Facebook. So friends, now let's see how to turn off comment notification on Facebook. Step by step we will talk about. First of all guys, turn on your Facebook application. After turn on Facebook application friends, you can see this type interface in your Facebook application. So friends, you don't want to use Facebook comment notification, you want to off. So friends, first of all tap here three line, and friends you can see this type interface in your Facebook account. So friends, scroll down here and tap here setting and privacy option, and then tap here setting. After on setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Facebook. So friends, on your Facebook personal detail setting you can use, password security setting you can use it. So friends, scroll down here, tap here notification setting. After notification setting friends, you can see what notification you receive. Comment notification is here, tag notification, reminder notification, more activity, about you notification you can use. So first of all guys, we will tap on comment notification, and friends you can see where you receive this notification. So friends, you want to on a notification here, SMS, Gmail and push, so you can on and you can off. And friends, you can see these are notification for comment on your post and reply to your comment. Here any example friends, your friend replied to a comment that you have tagged in, so you don't want to use, so you can turn off your comment notification. Your comment notification will off, and friends you cannot use comment notification on your Facebook account. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to turn off Facebook comment notification. So friends, if you refresh here, so you cannot use here any notification, comment notification you cannot use. And friends, you want to use your Facebook settings, so you can use it. Friends, you can add your story, you can add your profile photo, cover photo, you can set here, you can edit your profile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.